Hey everyone, you're on a shopping spree, ready to splurge on that dream gadget or designer outfit. But wait, there's a limit. Ever wondered what the Monzo Me limit is and why it exists? Let's dive in. What is Monzo Me? Monzo Me is a feature offered by Monzo Bank that allows you to send and receive money instantly. It's like having a digital pocket where you can store funds and share them with friends and family. Understanding the limit. The Monzo Me limit is essentially a cap on the amount of money you can send or receive using the feature. This limit is put in place for security and to prevent fraud. The exact limit can vary depending on several factors, including your account history. If you've been a Monzo customer for a long time and have a good track record, your limit might be higher. Your account activity. Frequent use of Monzo Me can also influence your limit. Monzo's internal policies. The bank may adjust limits based on overall market conditions or to address specific security concerns. Why does the limit exist? The Monzo Me limit serves several important purposes. Fraud prevention. By limiting the amount of money that can be transferred at once, Monzo can help prevent fraudulent activities like money laundering. Risk management. The limit helps Monzo manage its overall risk exposure. Customer protection. In the event of a security breach, a lower limit can help minimize financial losses for individual customers. How to increase your limit? If you feel that your current Monzo Me limit is too restrictive, you can try the following to potentially increase it. Contact Monzo customer support. Reach out to Monzo's customer service team and explain your situation. They may be able to review your account and adjust your limit accordingly. Improve your account history. Maintain a positive account history with Monzo, making regular payments and avoiding overdrafts. Increase your account balance. Having a higher balance in your Monzo account can sometimes lead to a higher limit. Using Monzo Me responsibly. While it's important to understand the Monzo Me limit, it's equally crucial to use the feature responsibly. Here are some tips. Only send money to trusted individuals. Avoid sending money to strangers or people you don't know well. Be cautious of scams. Be aware of common scams and avoid falling victim to them. Monitor your account regularly. Keep an eye on your Monzo Me transactions to ensure everything is in order. Conclusion. The Monzo Me limit is a safety measure put in place to protect you and your funds. By understanding the factors that influence your limit and using the feature responsibly, you can make the most of Monzo Me while minimizing risks. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.